Hey there, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have this new arrival to show you. This is a 2024 in-stock Harris Cruiser 230. This boat is in the ebony black metallic with the silver fence rails. It's got the bimini top up top. This is a two-tune boat powered with a 115 horsepower out back. The trailer you see pictured here is not included, but is available. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. Climbing aboard this boat, the first thing you're going to see is in the traditional CW layout with the center walk-through, quad bench style. We've got great storage under all of these seats. We've got cup holders, USB chargers on both sides here in the back. Another neat feature is this boat has the RGB lighting package, so you have lights in your cup holders and under your seats as well. Back here on the transom, this boat does have a 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder off to the starboard side. Again, that 115 Pro XS on this boat. Couple neat features on this particular layout. You do have some storage under both seat backs on both sides. Great place for a trash can in here. This boat does also come with a table that's not yet installed. Come over here to the helm. Let me show you a couple of the neat features on this boat. We've done the Clarion head unit in this. We've got a 4-speaker system on board. It's got the fish finder depth finder combo with your analog gauges on either side. Got your master power and your controls for your lighting over there to the starboard side of the helm, just above your throttle with your trim right there. Nice little cubby down there as well to store your phone and some other items. Coming forward, things that the Harris Cruiser is known for is just a very spacious, comfortable layout up here. You've got these knee retention bolsters here to keep you planted in the seat when you're underway, as well as some amazing storage up under these front seats as well. You see we've got the cover poles in here at the moment, but this is a great place to put life jackets, dock lines, and things just like that. That's been a quick overview of this new in-stock 2024 Harris Cruiser 230. If you like what you saw, give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today. We'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.